At Snap Fitness, we offer a better workout, a better experience, and better results. Guaranteed. Whether you're looking to slim down, tone up, add muscle, or lose weight, you'll get in the best shape of your life right here in your neighborhood gym. Snap Fitness is the only place with an exclusive 60-day Fast Start program, free for every new member who wants to make a positive change in their life. No other club has an advantage like this to give you the guidance and motivation you need to look and feel your best, see real results, and reach your fitness goals. You'll get a complimentary session with a personal trainer who will evaluate your strength, endurance, and flexibility, then recommend a workout plan that's right for you. You'll easily stay on track by learning our Basic 8 workout with check-in calls, body measurements, and more. Plus, at Snap Fitness, you'll feel right at home. Our friendly, comfortable atmosphere makes it easy to get in a great workout when it's convenient for you, no matter your fitness level. We're open around the clock and just minutes away from your home or office. Plus, we have the same quality training equipment found at those larger, more expensive clubs, a variety of cardio and strength training machines, and free weights. Everything you need to look and feel your best. No contracts, overwhelming crowds, or long waiting lines here. We're not too big, not too small. We're just the right size. And best of all, with over 1,200 locations worldwide, there's a Snap Fitness right around the corner. Why Snap Fitness? Being nearby and open 24/7 is just the beginning. Compare and see for yourself. With our results-based 60-day Fast Start, Workout Buddies, and Easy Fit programs, you'll get in the best shape of your life. Plus, you get your own personal webpage to track your nutrition and workouts. So visit or call now. Ask about our membership specials and see for yourself how easy and convenient it is to get a better workout, a better experience, and see better results. Guaranteed.